You should also not be starting doing a side hustle if you are trying to copy paste somebody. What I say is copy pasting is because my side hustle was not a copy paste, but most of the people who are doing a side hustle is because my colleague or my neighbor or my friend started doing something and is making a lot of money, and that is why I also copied it and pasted it in my life. Now this is not going to work. They did something because that was of their interest. They did something because they enjoyed doing it. They did something because they had some connections around that particular thing that they are doing, and that is why they made quick success, or maybe they were successful with it. And you also do not know the amount of work that was put in to become successful with that. You just get to see the external facade that they show you, that they have become rich, or they have become successful, or they have made a lot of money. But what they put in behind it, you never get to see that part. So this is the biggest mistake that you would be doing when you are choosing to start a side hustle, is that you are copy pasting. Do not copy paste. This is the biggest warning that I have for you. Just because your neighbor or your friend or your colleague made a lot of money or became successful by choosing any side hustle, do not choose it for yourself. And that is how you can make your side hustle successful.